This video, I will tell you what a YouTube niche is in an example. So now start with an apartment, okay? And all these people live in this apartment. And each one is a YouTube channel. And the YouTube algorithm analyzes each one of these apartments, YouTube channels. And each one's separate. And when it analyzes yours, it knows which one it is. But if yours not clear yet, it doesn't know which one yours is. So if you make gaming videos and cooking videos and all kinds of videos that are not related to each other, then they don't know what yours is. They can't classify it as one channel. Now, of course, you can dive in deeper and say a sub-niche. Let's say, I'm going to give you a sample here, a gaming channel. A gaming channel can be broad, okay? But if you want to go to a sub-niche of a gaming channel of a sub-niche can be a specific game. A cooking channel can be a specific cooking style. A exercise channel can be a specific kind of exercise course diet. You hear what I'm getting at now? If the YouTube algorithm doesn't recognize your channel, it can't push it to the right people. So you kind of know about what the YouTube algorithm does too. Now, if you want to learn how to find your niche in 3 steps, go ahead and watch this video on the screen now, and I'll see you there.